Hello my busy bees, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is little different. I will show you how to be efficient and make instant chicken when you have very little time. This video is all about making homemade instant chicken masala. First heat the pan and add some oil. I'm not gonna tell you the exact amount and time because it depends on how much heat your stove provides and of course your taste preference. Now add 2 cups of oil. It looks a lot, but trust me, you need it because you are not using any preservative. I'm a busy mom with an infant and a toddler, so I normally chop onion in a large quantity and freeze them so that whenever I need, I will just take it out and I don't have to cut in front of my babies. That works for me. These are all frozen chopped onion right now, but they will look better after a while. The quantity of salt is completely up to you. You can add as much as you want because this masala is going to be used for several chicken preparation, so it's okay to put more salt than usual. Keep stirring till the color of the onion becomes translucent, I guess. Now add ginger paste and garlic paste and stir well so that it does not smell raw. Now it's time to add some tomato paste. It will bring some color in your masala. Now add turmeric powder, then add cumin powder, coriander powder, red chilli powder, garam masala powder. My camera was down, so I added a glass of water off camera. Sorry about that. Keep stirring till it is totally cooked. By the way, you can tell when it is done by the look of it. When the oil looks separated from rest of the masala, then it is ready. When it's done, transfer it to a container which you can freeze for a long time. So this is it. My instant chicken masala is ready. You can use them up to 3 months if you freeze them after it cools down, or if you put it in normal refrigerator, then you can use it up to 20 days. Hope you liked today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please take a minute to subscribe to my channel and click the like button and also the bell icon to stay ahead and watch my videos as soon as they are up on YouTube. I am coming with new videos every week, so stay tuned. Bye.